Hey everybody, I hope you're doing good today. I want to show you what I'm doing today is I'm going to be spooling up an ultralight Piscifun fishing rod. So this is the Carbon X. I did a review of this recently, but I bought a small one for an ultralight setup that I'm using. And I'm going to be using some 6-pound P-line that has a nice green chartreuse tint to it. But what I want to show you today is this line spooler from Piscifun, okay? So it looks like a little fishing pole. And, you know, that's one thing I've always struggled with is how to get your line on your spool and to do it with tension, to do it properly. So, anyways, we're not going to waste any time. We're going to go ahead and put this in here. There we go. Okay, I'm going to angle this a little bit. All right, so we have it in our holder. Now, one thing you want to do is you want to, well, you got to know what knot you're going to use here to attach this, and I like to use the arbor knot. And I think Abu Garcia has a nice video online. I'll link it. I think I pretty much have it memorized now how to do it, but basically what you want to do is put your line around the, you know, we call it spool, but it's the same thing as an arbor. So, there we go. Okay. I'm not going to try to explain it because you can just watch a video and figure it out. You know, it'd be very difficult to try to explain it. And I'll fast forward until we get to spooling this up. There we go. Alright, so I have my arbor knot tied on. Now what you need to do is, there's two different types of attachments here, and these are meant to fit in the center of your spool. And the pack has a different size, so if you have a spool with a larger hole, I think it is, or smaller, you have that option. But you basically put that through, and you open this up, and basically just put it in this clamp. Sometimes it's a little tricky, but once you get it, yeah, it's not too bad. Okay, once you get that in there, then you just kind of tighten this up a little bit. I think it's pretty much ready to go. But right now, I do need to spool this cup. It comes undone a little bit off the spool when you're starting, so just reel it up until it's kind of got tension on it. There we go. Oh, so the whole hardest part is just getting tension on this. And you do need a little bit of drag here, but I'm going to start spinning, okay? Let's see if this starts to wrap itself. Sure does. And I think the intention here is that it takes out some of the line twist. It's supposed to, at least. Well, look at that. It keeps just a little bit of tension on it. Now, what is the mono capacity here? 6 pound, 100 yards. Wow, that's not much. This is going to go on a very unique ultralight setup that you're not going to want to miss. It is really cool. But it's custom ordered from another country. That's as much as I'm going to tell you. But this beautiful Piscifun Carbon X2 1000 series spinning reel, made of carbon, blacked out, beautiful, with this nice neon 6-pound fluorocarbon coated monofilament that has a nice bright green tint to it. It's gonna be a real treat. You can see that, wow, this is working really well. The line is spinning, right? And I kind of assumed that that's helping to take out some line twist. I think that's the intention of it, to keep pressure on it, take out line twist. Almost done here. Wow, why does it look like there's supposed to be 300 yards? So I'd say we're going to call that right there. Looks full enough. I'm just going to cut it. And I'll be putting this on my rod. And then this thing just pops out. Whew. But that's it. This is the line spooler by Piscifun. And yeah, I have a coupon code if you want to try it. You can also get it off of Amazon. I'll show you the Amazon link. So thanks for watching.